Great view.
Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Welcome back. We're exploring the Lindville area around North Carolina and getting ready to go to a really cool lunch stop. So stick around, stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. You've got to check this place. It is beyond awesome. The old Hampton Store and Grist Mill, Lindville, North Carolina. What a place.
I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Daddy. I put a nickel in the jukebox and played the truck driver. There's a cabin in the pines in the hills of Carolina, and a blue-eyed girl is waiting there for me. I'll be going back someday, and from her I'll never stray. And the cabin is almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains growing. Yeah, I know what it means to be lonesome. I know what it means to be blue. I know what it means to be lonesome in the trees when there is someone there with you. I got drunk and I got in jail. I got drunk and I got in jail. I got drunk and I got in jail.
Alright, I got to admit, oh, check that out. That is pretty cool. That has been the best lunch stop I have had since 2013 when my daughter and I stumbled on, what was it called? The 1800s town or something like that, right off of, oh, was it I-80 or I-90 in South Dakota? Almost a decade ago now. But that was really, really cool. If you're ever in the area, you gotta stop in and check the place out. That is definitely a highlight for the highlight reel. Old Toe River Road. And very beautiful, but keep your speed down. Some of these corners can really sneak up on you because they are not marked. Funny thing is, when I got on this road, there was a sign, instead of a speed limit, it said resume safe speed. Then the pavement ended and this began. Did not, oh, big hole. Did not know that was going to happen. Usually you can tell by looking at the GPS, but it's that orangish color, which usually means pavement. Interesting. Or nuts about beer. Blind Squirrel, Plum Tree, North Carolina. That is so cool. Cool building. Oh, check it out. Okay, I kind of just stumbled on this road trying to find a picnic area that I missed and just met a group of motorcycle riders that told me this is about 20 to 25 miles worth of gravel, nothing too serious, too severe. So they say when I come to a dead end, make a left that will take me back out to 181, which is, I think, and don't quote me on this, is the road that I got to NC 105 off of. I don't know. I'm making so many random turns. I am so confused right now, but it's frickin' awesome. Well, I'm not the only one back here. Just passed a lady jogging and now him. Okay, I made this random right turn off the road. It said Table Rock Picnic Area. So I thought, why not? Let's just go up here and check it out. I don't know if it's a through road or someplace I got to turn around or what, but the road's been really nice and wide like this, and just bumpy is the worst part about it. I won't show up, but two deer just walked off the road. Well, it turned to pavement. Well, I found it. It's a pretty unpopular spot up here. I have to come back someday when I can hike it all. As we get near the end of this gravel road, it's been pretty decent, a little loose, but not near as rough as old NC 105 is. I can't believe how much cell service I have on this road. Here I am on vacation, and who do I get a call from? My buddy at work asking a question about a machine. It's a good thing the service guy that's there helping right now brings me donuts, is all I have to say. Alright, it's 3:20 in the afternoon now. I think I might try to find something to eat before I head back to camp. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I think I got too much footage for a single day, so this might be a two-parter. I have no idea. But anyway, please give me a huge thumbs up if you haven't hit that subscribe button down below. And I will be doing a miles by motorcycle map of this. If it happens to be a two-parter, it'll be the same map either way, just so you're aware. That way you can see all the roads I've ridden. If you want to ride any of the same roads, it will be a haphazard map as always, because I just record everything, all my U-turns and everything else that I do. Anyway, thanks again, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, I know I said I was done for the day, but this is my camp spot. Came from that direction. This was all dug up this morning when I got here. But let me tell you, it was slippery and rough getting in here. Might be kind of a pain in the butt to get out once the bike's fully loaded. We'll see. Almost looks like they came in and did some more since I left. You know? Anyway, oh boy, gnats everywhere. Anyway, alright, see you in the next video.